Hello and welcome back to Let's Sit Down. Today, we have a toy review. Today I've got two Driven blind boxes. If you do not know, Driven is like a replacement of Micro Machines. Micro Machines are tiny model cars that were in the 80s and 90s, but they discontinued them. That's a mouthful. So now they have Driven. This is the Series 2 by Battat. Driven is by Battat.
Oh, and stop.
What?
I'm going to show them what I have on the next video.
Oh, yeah.
I have two baby born surprises.
No, these are baby secrets.
Baby secrets.
She already opened up one, right?
Yeah, and I'm just not going to...
We'll show the viewers which one you got earlier. Haley opened one in the car, and that's the baby she got.
Yeah.
In the next video, maybe.
Oh, no, it fell out.
Well, we might film a video of her
Yeah,
opening
we
it.
are even.
Well, it might not go on YouTube.
And it has brown hair like the baby.
So if you don't see that video on YouTube, I think you know why. But yes, so we got the cardboard layer off. Oh, you also get, inside there is 24 to collect. Which one will you get?
I have goldfish.
What is it has a vehicle, tracks, and signs.
And guys,
the tracks are roads.
if you want to know how old I am, put in the comments below. Okay, I'm going to just tell you how old I am. I'm 5 years old.
Don't reveal my age. I want my age to be an age-old secret.
Yeah, I'm just going to tell them you're almost a teenager.
Yeah, in a couple years I'll be a teenager.
Yeah.
The camera's falling. Okay, so I've had these before. I'm going to open the collector's guide up.
I think I know what you got.
Don't tell me. So here is what you can do with them. That's not everything you get in this pack. Those yellow and black things, those are the blind boxes. And then you can get a couple of roads, cars, and stuff in them. Here are all the tracks you can get. You can get a 3-way intersection, 4-way intersection, curved, straight, or extensions. And then here are all the cars you can get. And, ooh, I got a helicopter. Got a helicopter. It's a red helicopter. I already have a blue helicopter. Oh, this is really cool. Okay.
What did you get?
I got a red helicopter.
Okay. I tell Mama.
Don't tell her what I got.
I just told Mama that I thought you got an airplane.
Oh. Okay. Well, I did not get an airplane, that's for sure.
I have goldfish.
You already told the viewers.
Yeah. And this is what goldfish look like.
Ooh, yummy. This time it's a black one instead of a yellow one.
And that's what the inside looks.
The Pocket Series, yeah, these are Pocket Series. The actual Driven are a lot bigger, but the Pocket Series, Series 2, has two colors. Yellow with a black door and black with a yellow door. The original series, the Pocket Series, Series 1, had orange with a gray door and gray with an orange door. Don't look, Haley.
I'm not.
Okay, so I got this. Curved. Ooh, and a new truck. I got a red truck. I already have a purple, blue truck.
Hi guys, I just want to tell you to like and subscribe.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you what you can do with these. So, viewers, you see how I have... Sorry, I'm trying a new way of, doing videos. With my iPad, it does not pause. So you see these two pieces? Well, I'm going to put them together. Now I have a 4-way intersection. And that's the same with these. So I can do them like this. I have another four-way intersection, but I have a helicopter. I have 2 helicopters, you see? And I only have roads. So this other side has a helipad.
And guys,
So I'm gonna put the
don't forget
helicopter
to
on it.
like and subscribe. Because right now we only have a lot of likes for some. But we only have 12 subscribers. So please.
Hey, that's
like
better
and
than 11.
subscribe.
It's
Yeah.
better than 11.
Yeah, but please like and subscribe.
Okay, so you can do that. And
And viewers, with the baby bus, with the
baby secrets.
yeah, the baby secret. It comes with a birth certificate.
Kit.
Certificate.
Certificate. So it's like, hooray, you've accomplished being born.
Yeah.
That's a very good accomplishment.
And
If I hadn't have done that accomplishment, I wouldn't be here right now reviewing these driven for you guys. Yeah?
well. And guess what?
Yeah?
I'm funny. Just kidding.
Thank goodness. So let's put these extenders here. Now, reconnect.
I'm still eating the fish, Mama.
Okay, so if you're wondering why I didn't get any signs, you don't always get signs, but I have a lot more driven. I just can't show them to you right now because they're way in my room, right, Haley? So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the notification bell so I never miss a future video. Bye, and stay totally awesome and sweet.